Tired of funky odors in your appliances? Let's check out Plink for washers and dishwashers and keep your machines smelling fresh. If your washer or dishwasher has started smelling like a science experiment, Plink is here to save the day. These little cleaning pods pack a punch, breaking down odors, buildup, and lingering grime in just one cycle. Each pack comes with 4 treatments, making it an easy, no-scrub solution to keep appliances fresh. Just drop one in, run a cycle, and enjoy the refreshing clean scent. No more mystery odors wafting from your machines. Since using Plink, we've noticed cleaner dishes, fresher laundry, and 0 musty smells. If you want an easy, effective way to keep things fresh, this is a must-have. We give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.